up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So it is the morning. We're on our first job today, and it is a move out slash move in, but it came with all the furniture, so they want all the furniture cleaned as any person would. We got a lot of work to do today. We're doing some mattresses, we're doing some chairs, we're doing couches, tile, carpet, we're doing everything. Beautiful day out here in sunny Tampa, Florida. It is a cool like 60 degrees. I got a hoodie on, I'm freezing, but we got the Steam Boss machine out here. We do have quite a long hose run because of course it is the unit all the way in the back. Of course, you know, why would it be closed? That's no fun. All right, so before we get started in today's video, if you guys could do me a favor, throw this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you are new, we're getting really close to 100 subscribers. And after 100, we're on to 1,000. So let's show you what's up for today. So we got a bunch of stuff. So we are doing these two couches. Now this one is actually a sleeper sofa. And they actually want the mattress done that's in the sleeper sofa, which I've actually never done before. We'll figure it out. It'll turn out, but we're gonna have to leave it open when we leave. Over here, we're doing these chairs here too. Not in too bad a shape. We're doing all of those. We're just gonna touch up this floor for them. That's just the vinyl flooring there. Doing all of this carpet. Now, actually, the carpet's not in too bad of shape. Now, I wish every video we do would be something like, oh, this is disgustingly bad and crazy and all this stuff. But hey, that's not real life. Not every job is actually that terrible. This one, it's definitely dirty, but it's not in terrible shape. So this carpet's in pretty good shape. Got the machine warming up over there. So we're gonna be doing this tile here. We got a bathroom here, another bathroom here full of tile. Overall, it's not terribly bad, just a little spruce up. We got a couple mattresses here that we're going to be doing. We have the Sapphire tool all loaded up and ready to go. We're gonna be using some Eloquence today on this mattress and on the couches, which are natural fiber. So a bunch of different things going on today. We got the spinner, we got the CRB, we got the wand out. We kind of just emptied out the whole truck. We got everything going. So I think we're gonna get started on the mattresses first and probably move on to the couches.
A few moments later.
All right, so we got this one side done. We're gonna dry it, flip it over, do the other side in the meantime. Bill's over here somewhere. There he is.
Hi, everybody.
Say what's up.
Good morning.
What do we got going on here?
We're doing a little bit of tile cleaning. Got our heavy-duty Tsunami tile cleaner out here, which is probably overkill, but what the heck. We're gonna do a good job here today. I think the new owners are gonna love this, so see what happens.
Yep. So he's already got it sitting over here. Don't know those dwell time. Probably just take the CRB to it real quick, get it all scrubbed in, and get them done. All right, so this chair here, we got some mystery brown stain on this one, a little stain right there. Let's see what she does. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we want to see right there. Oh yeah, turned out great. This is talent, by the way, because I'm holding the chair between my legs, doing this, all to film, just for you guys. All right, let's give this bathroom a scrub. You know what, not too bad, but you know what, that water's still coming out pretty dirty. Pretty dirty for sure. Now, for those of you who don't know what this machine here is, it's a CRB machine, which is basically two counter-rotating brushes. I can actually give you a glance here at the bottom. Doing this with one hand. So we got two brushes on the bottom that spin opposite directions. So it's basically just, we use this as an agitation machine mostly, but it has a wide variety of uses. So, all right, so we're gonna let that sit about another 5 minutes or so, and then that should be ready to go. Got so much stuff going on, so action-packed. Let's see what those do. Vinyl form being cleaned there. overall turned out pretty good. So at this point in the video, if you guys are still watching, awesome, really appreciate that. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Do you guys like these style of videos where we're kind of just vlogging what we're doing and kind of going through the job in that direction? Are these videos too long? Are they too short? What do you guys like watching? I know we get actually a decent amount of views compared to the amount of subscribers we have, so leave some feedback if you are still watching at this point in the video in the comment section below. And I always want to improve the videos for you guys, and I want to know what you like. Alright, so we finished up in this bathroom with the alkaline cleaner. However, it is hard to see on camera, but you can see there's some areas here that have kind of an orangish tinge to it there. And you can see this is kind of what the rest of the bathroom looks like here. So we're going to have to treat this with an acid cleaner and then rinse it with an alkaline again, and that should take care of that problem. Alright, so we've let the acid sit for about 10 minutes or so, and as you can see, without even cleaning it now, it's definitely already much better. So we're going to rinse it with the hand tool and see what we end up with. Knocking out this couch here. Oh yeah. Alright, so it looks like a disaster, but I promise you it's not. We're actually somewhat organized here. So we got that couch done. We got this one done. Got to get this mattress on this pull-out all dried up before we can put it back, so that's going to have to chill for a little bit. Got those cushions done over here. There was actually a little bit of urine that we found on this one cushion, so that has been treated. It's already kind of starting to go away, but there was a big kind of stain right there that we could see. So this cushion here is being treated for urine, and that's pretty much it now. So all we have left to do is the carpeting in the entire place, and then we'll be good to go. So on this cushion, we were just using Sagerside. That's what we're using to treat the cushion. And on all of this fabric, we're using Sager's Eloquence, which we have mixed up here in our fancy bottle here. So that's what we're using. It's a good product. It's nice and safe for fibers like this material, and it turned out pretty good. All right, and here we have the final product. Everything all blocked, tabbed, clean, tented so it dries properly. Carpet turned out great. So overall, I think the new tenant is gonna be very happy. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I don't even know how long this thing is, but I'm gonna cut it off here. All we have to do is just put away all of the hose, which you don't want to see that. It's pretty boring. So if you guys aren't, please subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate that. If you would like us to come and clean your house, check out the links in the description below to our website, our Instagram, and our Facebook. And as usual guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see all you on the next video. Peace.